taking your phone calls today on Kababayan LA. We are live with our immigration specialist, Attorney Allison Aquino, and family lawyer, Attorney Jesus Silva. Hello and welcome once again on the show. And earlier we heard a question from Salvador. Now we have Gigi on the line with a question about immigration from Fullerton. Hello and welcome to the show. Are you there?
Hi, good afternoon. Oo, magtatanong ako kay Attorney Aquino. And then,
go ahead.
Yeah, magtatanong ako kay Attorney Aquino. My mother passed away last year, but I have a petition. And what would be yung magiging outcome ng petition ko?
Gigi, that is unfortunately a very common question as far as Filipinos are concerned, simply because the waiting lists for visas are so tremendously long. There was a law that was passed just about a year and a half ago, and that law revolutionized the way that petitions are processed when the petitioner has passed away. Under the new law, an individual continues to be eligible to apply for their green card when the petitioner passes away, if the beneficiary or one of the derivative beneficiaries is in the United States at the time the petitioner passed away, and they continue to reside in the U.S.
So if they were here, let's say as a tourist, while they were being petitioned, and
or even out of status.
Or even out of status?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So if it doesn't matter what the circumstances as far as why the individual is here, naturally, no fraud, fraud aside.
Right.
But if the individual is here, the most common situation is they entered as tourists, they overstayed their visa, they decided to go ahead and simply remain in the U.S. As long as they were here at the time of death, you can still go on with that petition.
And her case was her mom passing away, her mom petitioning for her. What about for a husband or a wife?
Same thing.
Oh, okay.
And actually, there are additional benefits to individuals who are widows of a U.S. citizen. One thing that needs to be pointed out is that if you're a widow of a U.S. citizen and a petition was not filed for you before your petitioner passed away, and that petitioner passed away before October of '09, there is a deadline coming up in October 2011. So any individuals, in short, who are widows and have not been previously petitioned in the past, you need to move forward with your petition before October of this year.
Oh, that's the deadline.
Yes.
And again, later on at the end of the program, we'll give you the number, the direct line to Attorney Allison Aquino, so you may call her directly and schedule your appointment. Our next call is another immigration question. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, Teresa.
Hi, hello. Good afternoon to both of you. I have a question regarding green card. I've been married for 5 years, and my petition was already approved, but I have not received my green card up to now.
Okay. Presuming that your information is correct, that your green card has in fact been approved, then you just need to go to immigration and request the reissuance of your green card.
How do you know that your green card has been approved
or
not?
And that's the key question.
Right.
Is I don't know from the caller as to what gives her the impression that her green card has been approved, because chances are, if it was approved, you should have received the green card.
Right.
And so that's my first basic question, is what gives you that impression? Presuming that your impression is correct, then it is a matter of just going to immigration and having that green card reissued.
All right. We have more calls for you when we return on the show. Don't forget, Attorney Jesus Silva is also here if you have any questions about family law, and we're going to be taking that on when we return on Kababayan LA. Don't go away.
Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks. McDonald's na